muscle Willen Speaker Tiny Tiny 10 of tunes. Hey everyone, and today we are checking out the poolside powerhouse. The muscle Willen Speaker, known for their iconic amps and bold sound. Can this little guy live up to the muscle legacy? Let's find out. Straight out of the box, the Willen oozes muscle charms, classic back and press, compact yet sturdy. It feels like a miniaturizing guitar amps. The weight is surprisingly light and enough to toss in a bag, but feels reassuringly solid. Bonus point for the included braided strap, perfect for attaching to bikes or backpacks. Speaking of adventure, the speaker boasts an IP67 ratings, meaning it's dustproof and water resistant. We're talking about splash, sand, even accidental dips, perfect for the beach, poolside, or anywhere lights take you, but don't expect it to survive a deep dive. Remember, water resistant, not waterproof. Connecting is a breeze with Bluetooth 5.1, pairing took seconds, and the multi-function knobs keeps things simple. Power, volumes, playback, even access to your phone voice assistant. It's intuitive and user-friendly, even for tech newbies. Now for the most important part, the sound. Don't let its size fool you. This speaker packs a punch, crank it up and you get clear, surprisingly loud audio. Bass is present but balanced, mids are crisp and highs are clear. While it won't win a bass battle against a large speaker, it delivers surprisingly rich and detailed sound for its size. Muscle claims 10 hours of playtime, which seems accurate from our test. It easily lasted a day at the park, and it includes USB-C charging makes it convenient to top up. Plus, its small size and strap make it a travel dream. Toss it in your bag and enjoy your tunes anywhere. So is the muscle Willen support the hype? If you're looking for a small portable speaker with a big sound, rugged build quality and iconic muscle style, then absolutely. It's not an audiophile dream, but for everyday listening, adventures and casual gatherings, it delivers. Just remember, its size limit is response. Thanks for joining me on this Willen review. If you're looking for a portable speaker with personality and punch, consider the muscle Willen. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. And let me know in the comments what speaker are you using now.